IT environment right now is not static. So it's not something where you can just rest on your laurels and based on what you've learned at some point in your career, expect that to carry you for the next 20 to 30 years. So we're trying to instill a culture of continuous learning. And you're seeing leaders taking invested interest in what those opportunities for them look like coming out of the program.
The Cybers Fellows Program, it offers a scholarship to all qualifying U.S. residents that covers 75% of the tuition. Our employees have the opportunity to obtain a master's degree basically for free. So it was just an awesome opportunity.
I went through the application process and I got accepted. I had my third son due on August 31st. We had my son on the 31st, and 4 days later, I'm kicking off with 2 courses after not being in school for 20 years. I take a ton of what I learned in class back into my day-to-day work. I can speak a little bit more intelligently when we're in conversations about protecting our network or protecting our workstations.
The value proposition, what you are getting for your time, for your effort, for the money is, without compare. One of the greatest decisions I made is to go ahead and complete the master's program. I am actually continuing my education with NYU. So having completed the master's program, I've actually started with a PhD program now.
We actually met during the wonderful chaos of the Grace Hopper Conference, where we started talking about the talent shortage in the cyber industry. And I was really inspired by the unique programs that NYU was starting to offer, to think creatively about how we bring more talent into the industry. I mean, programs such as Bridge is such a cool example of this. They give non-technical students the foundational education that they need to move forward with a STEM master's degree. And so this inspiring conversation with NYU led me to have the privilege of joining the Cyber Fellows Advisory Council so that together we could do more.
The diversity factor was huge for me. Some programs that I looked at, diversity was sort of an afterthought, and it was positioned as, we have this amazing program, and now we're trying to be more diverse, as opposed to Tandon in its early beginnings. It was always a program that had a huge emphasis on including women in STEM and being that diverse environment.